Hi, today for Redmi Pixel 8 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's open first the settings and then tap to network and internet, tap to internet section and to activate Wi-Fi click on the switcher. After that you'll see here a list of all of the available networks which you could use. Just select one from the networks and enter the password. Then click to connect button, wait a couple of seconds and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we had one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here internet icon. Just tap on it and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click on the switcher. After that, you'll see here these networks. You could use them or you could tap to see all to see just full Wi-Fi settings. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, click thumbs up and subscribe.